The completeness, the compliments. Used to art every time I looked a mess, I felt whole and pretty. Who told you to stop with the messages and the reassurance? Not to say, I lack confidence, but to say, it felt good when you said, I am beautiful.
Year 2000. Mina nina ngitfulela sitoko ngimgabisa mendlela ngendlela lesenenda ngayo. Ben madal bebabona umlibalo yaphambili lapha kinini libele kuyaphambili nekuvana nemasavana. Futhi ben madal bebabona tata kusasa kwasakini kugcwele itabane netabhoni. Labanye bensebenza bo 18 noma 18 bangafiki na 18.
We are the elements of creativity without the cavity of fault. Thus, our existence is one of purpose. So whilst others go on, it's okay to pause. Self-reflect. There's nothing about that to regret. Adjust and process, because you and I, we're unique from the rest of the set.
Sebenza kunesikhathi ngoba kusasa utabe sokhala ngesikhathi uthi isikhathi sidliwe inja kanti vele ngumsebenzi wenja kudla imvolo ecithiwe ngoba wona isikhathi usichithane bangani nicambelana emanga nithi nichube emalanga ukhohle ukuthi imvolo ichubako usuku ungemuva kwayo shotha akushiya lamalanga khumbula emhlabeni imvutha idla lifukufuku utayo uvuna lokutshalile uyahlekwa dendile asisamkhaleni nadumekile sibabuta ukuthi bebalaleleni labanye kudzala bevukile ngoba liphupho litawuhlalela liphupho umumnikati asalele.
I desire to then have you reconsider what you thought you already know and understand. But I don't expect you to understand me, the artist. We are driven by our own passion and dedication, and then paid with exposure. But see, I can't pay with that at the store. The teller has no slots for it, the accountant has no figure for it, so I can't go work weekend after weekend and come home with bags full of exposure. I'm not a photographer, but I don't expect you to understand the artist. When I was young, they asked me, what do you want to be when you grow up? I said, teacher. They said, great. You are good with kids. I said, a policeman. I said, perfect. You are very inquisitive. And then I said, artist, but I ukhumbule kukangwanela.
St. Pet, siphethe ngikhanza sengiphetha ubuhle bakhe ngemusho ngosazana lena ndlela yenza futhi kulobu budze bayo lena ndlela nginesifiso sekuthi sihambisane sibeketelelane ingani nami ngiyohlala nawe if nawe utohlala nami ngathi sengiyabona kungimi nawe lapha kulobu lihlada sicathuda kulihlada konke kumnanzi sigcwele injabulo nje kuphela kwalale kungimi nawe sibambene ngetandla sesithi I do hayi ngoba phela ngawe ngavuma konke sithanda sami bambo lami leke ubambelela kulo noma tonke timo sendida ngisho wena hlambe lami lekukhalela noma sengikhala umhlaba sengikhalela.
And asked, you gave, they took, and kept on taking still. They poisoned knowledge pools and made you ridicule your melanin. You, not your brother's keepers, as they tore apart your families. Robbed you of identity, that was the greatest tragedy. Well, no more. I came to set the record straight and demonstrate a paradox where out the darkness comes the light to set ablaze the trail of hope, black people.
Go sasa takusa ngathi sikubone ekhaya lawa ngemagama lesakhusa ngawo kuthiwa nakusa siyibone inhlamba elanga nase sitawuphumelela lokho kwaphumelela la inhloko kwahlala sahlanganisa inhloko ekhambila la kuhlangana kepha sinethemba sikade sasike silahle ngani siyathi kusimphumelela ibukuthi uhluleke kanganani kepha ibuka ukuthi udame kanganani ngakho nyalo sihlanganisa inhloko kanye netinhlitiyo tethu tiba moya munye sakhathi kusasa lefte sikubonako ngala
saba ngisho ukuthinza ngawuze ngihliphide kuthi wena wami kwangicaqela kadzeni ngisehleli ngekhathi kwesinye lesinye zapho lesenta ngikuthanze kuba nesimo lesithile imphakamo yimpholote yona kuphela uthobekile uphi maketala ngifuna tibongela ngelo msebenzi lomuhle la wendile ngekukhulisa imbali lefana nawe imbali lekhakazile umuhle ume kahle unjalo udalwe kabusha usinzisiwe
buka ngendlela lesesifanelene ngayo sesinefana ngiyafuna sengakufela bengithi ngendayenda lwa tendakalela manje sengiyenisisa senguthanza sibili bengithi ngawungena kancane ngikuthanze ngebucala manje sekwanzeke ngikhawula yalo thambo likhula ngakawula ngithathe isihlalo lokhalkhaya kuleya ngehlitiyo sithomathoba sesakhiwe lesingeke ngihambe nami sengiyahlala sengimanzathela ngekungicabanga ngingabambe kunangivale ibulaki ngibambe nakusengena ngijula bengithangeke ngithanze labo bayajikelana kuba manje ngithanza ngijika.
You're the catalyst to my growth. With you, everything is faster and easier now. Bengu Zahara, Nemtwalo, but now I can take a breather because you've got it. My personal person. Omlangeni lotuwele.
La la la, yeah.